Welcome to Honyok honeybees, and we got this box marked a laying worker, and they slowly fail, and we have not been in this box for a little while, but I know that it is getting weak. And a lot of the laying worker boxes actually still keep bringing in pollen and honey, but there are no worker bees being replaced, so the hive keeps getting weaker and weaker. So now this is what robbing looks like. Uncontrollable mayhem at the small entrance. We got it put on the smallest entrance so they can protect themselves. And this box actually has a little bit of a gap back here, so they're might be getting in there. I think they can just smell the honey in the box. So if you're wondering what robbing looks like, nothing on that side. Kind of looks like that. I got a couple more laying worker boxes over here. And these are just boxes where the queen went out on a mating flight and did not come back. Here's another laying worker box. We mark it with 2 half bricks laying down, so that way we know what's going on. All that we saw were drone brood getting laid in there, buckshotted full, and then the cells will actually have 3, 4, sometimes 8 or 10 eggs in the bottom of each cell. But you can definitely tell it's getting robbed out. This is just one of our vent holes, and see, these bees can't get in there, but they can smell the honey, and they are just insanely crazy trying to get in there. We got a box right next door with plenty of bees in it. They're actually bearded. There's really no problem. I don't see any others right now, but that is what robbing looks like, and you don't want that in your yard. They will just keep going from hive to hive, but they will definitely find the weak ones and clean them up. So thought I'd just show you folks what to look for and reasons you don't want robbing in your yard. Right now you couldn't work a box on either side of this hive, because they would just be all over that box as well, and then the box you're in is trying to protect itself, and it just becomes a war, and you don't want to be in the middle of all that. So just an update what's going on here in the bee yard. Thanks for watching. Honyok honeybees. Honyok.